Hi families, I'm giving you a video tutorial to show you how to help your child log in to Myon over the summer so that they can do their reading. The first thing you're going to do is go to the website myon.com, and in case the school name is not already there, you are going to type in capital P, capital S, space 249, and you will see the school come up. Your child's username will be their first initial for the first name and their full last name. The password will be 309 like our class. Now your child is logged in. You are able to see what books they have been reading. There's some recommendations already there for them. And now they're able to bookshop. To bookshop, go to Library, Browse. Here they have over 7,000 books to choose from. Genres, if they're interested in chapter books, or favorite characters, or picture books. Here are some picture books that are available. You can also search by the level. Be careful when searching by the level. You have to preview the book first to see if it's appropriate for your child's reading level. They're not always leveled exactly the way they should be. But that is how you log in to Myon. So again, just make sure you have PS249, the Caton School. The username is the first initial, full last name. The password is 309, like our class. Everyone has the same password. The username is the only one that is unique to each child. If your child has two last names, then you can try putting the first initial and the second part of the last name. And try to log in. If that does not work, then you put the first initial and the first part of the last name and try to log in. I hope this was helpful, and if you have any questions, you can please send them to me through the Remind app or make a post in the Google Classroom. Be safe, and I hope that everyone is able to enjoy their summer reading through Myon.